When we're kids, we dream big. Be rich, travel the world, buy everything from the toy aisle, maybe even own all of Disneyland. But then we grow up, life speeds up, reality kicks in, and slowly, we stop believing that we could ever be rich. Society plays a part too. Let's be real. The system works best when there are more workers than millionaires, more people waiting for payday than sailing on yachts. But here's the thing. What if the real difference between staying stuck and getting rich is how you think? Give us a few minutes and we'll try to change the way you see your future. Watch until the end, and maybe you'll realize your childhood dreams weren't naive. They were just waiting for the right mindset. Because with the right thinking, right actions, and time, you could become one of the rich ones. In this video, we'll break down how millionaire minds really work, what they do differently, and what you can start doing even with zero in your bank account. And no, you don't have to invent the iPhone in your garage to become truly wealthy. Then at the end, we'll show you how the 5 richest people in the world actually made their money. No fluff, no fairy tales, just the real path. Let's test something. We're going to ask you 5 quick yes or no questions. Be honest, this isn't a test, it's a mirror. Answer yes or no. Have you ever thought, not everyone is meant to be rich? Do you believe that most wealthy people were just born lucky or inherited everything? Have you ever felt like wealth is only possible if you know the right people? Deep down, do you think making money always involves doing something unethical? Have you ever told yourself, I'm just not the money type? If you said yes to 2 or more, congratulations, you're normal. Because most people are raised with beliefs that explain why they're not rich, instead of beliefs that could help them get there. But here's the truth. Wealth is a mindset first, not a bank balance. You don't have to lie, cheat, or win the lottery. You have to learn how to see money differently. Rich people aren't smarter. They just learned how to think in a way that attracts value and multiplies it. Or as Jim Rohn once said, your level of success will rarely exceed your level of personal development, because success is something you attract by the person you become. And that's exactly what this channel is about. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. We make videos that help you shift your mindset, build confidence, and change your life for real. Now let's break down the specific habits that separate millionaire thinkers from the rest, and how you can start using them today. If you've ever thought millionaire success is all about luck or timing, think again. In most cases, the difference is in the daily habits, not the starting point. Here are 5 things wealthy people consistently do, and that you can start doing too, even if you're starting from zero. They treat money like a tool, not a goal. Poor mindset says, I need more money. Wealth mindset says, what can this money build, buy, or grow? They think in terms of systems, assets, and impact, not just cash in the bank. They focus on what's possible, not what's in the way. While some people only see risk, others see room to grow. That's the shift. They invest before they feel ready. Millionaires don't wait until they have enough. They start small, $10 here, $20 there, and build the habit early. What matters most is consistency, not size. We break this down with a practical method you can start using right now. Watch our video on how to allocate every dollar wisely. The link's in the description. They pay themselves first. Before paying bills or buying anything else, they put money into savings, investments, or personal development. It's not selfish, it's strategy. They turn income into assets. Most people earn, spend, repeat. Millionaires earn, invest, earn again. They don't just work for money. They make money work for them. They never stop learning. Books, mentors, courses, conversations, they see knowledge as fuel. Even one new idea can lead to massive shifts in mindset, income, and impact. None of these habits require a millionaire lifestyle, but building them early is what makes that lifestyle possible. Next, let's flip the script and talk about the biggest money traps, the ones that quietly keep most people stuck. Once you see them, you can start avoiding them. Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy or unlucky. They stay broke because they fall into quiet traps and keep repeating them. Let's name a few of the biggest ones, so you can start breaking out. Thinking small feels safe. People say, I don't need much. But that mindset keeps you from ever thinking bigger, building more, or helping others. You settle for less, even when more is possible and needed. Spending everything, no matter how much you earn. Income goes up, but the lifestyle inflates with it. Bigger salary equals better car, better clothes, more subscriptions. The result? Still broke, just more stylish. Avoiding money conversations. Most people treat money like a taboo topic, even with their own family. But what you avoid, you can't improve. Think of it this way. Imagine opening a hotel with no windows, no doors, and no sign. How many guests would show up? Exactly. Money works the same way. If you're not thinking about it, not learning about it, not talking about it, it's not likely to show up. Millionaires talk about money openly. They ask questions. They learn from others. waiting for the perfect time to start. The truth? It never feels like the right time. The best moment to start building wealth was yesterday. The second best moment is right now. These traps are everywhere, and most of them are invisible until you name them, but once you see them, you can change your path. Now that we've talked about mindset and habits, let's look at the real stories. How the 5 richest people in the world actually made their money, and what you can learn from each of them. Now let's talk facts. It's easy to assume that all rich people just got lucky, inherited money, or had some secret advantage. But when you dig into their real stories, you find patterns, strategies, choices. Let's look at 5 of the world's most famous millionaires and billionaires, and what you can learn from each. Warren Buffett. The power of long-term thinking. Buffett bought his first stock at age 11 and still says he started late. He didn't chase trends. He built wealth slowly through consistent investing and compound growth over decades. Lesson: start early, stay consistent, and think long-term. Wealth rewards patience. Oprah Winfrey. Turning pain into power. Born into poverty and facing countless obstacles, Oprah built her empire through communication, empathy, and relentless drive. She didn't sell a product. She became the product. Lesson: your story can be your greatest asset. Learn how to turn your struggles into strengths. Jeff Bezos. Obsession with value. Bezos started Amazon in a garage, focused not on being cool, but on solving real problems better than anyone else. He reinvested aggressively, stayed customer-obsessed, and thought in decades, not quarters. Lesson: focus on solving problems and adding value, not just making money. Donald Trump. Branding as a business. Trump inherited some money, yes, but turned himself into a brand long before social media made that normal. He licensed his name, built image-based businesses, and used publicity as leverage. Lesson: reputation is a real asset. Build a name that works for you, even when you're not working. Elon Musk. Bet big, learn fast. From selling code as a teen to launching Tesla and SpaceX, Musk reinvested almost everything he earned into bold, risky ideas. He often slept in the office, burned through cash, and stayed laser-focused on his mission. Lesson: don't be afraid to go all in, if you believe in the vision and are willing to learn fast. These 5 people didn't follow the same path, but they all played the long game, took risks, and thought differently about money. Now it's your turn. In the final block, we'll help you reflect on everything you've seen and challenge you to take your first real step today. If you're still watching, that already says something. Most people click away before they ever hear the part that matters. But not you. You made it through the mindsets, the habits, the traps, and real examples of how wealth is actually built. Now the only question left is, what will you do with this? We're not here to sell you magic formulas. We're here to give you clarity, tools, and momentum. You'll find links below, including our most practical budgeting tools and mindset videos. But before you go, let's see what you remember. What does pay yourself first mean? Spend on fun before bills, invest all your money, set aside savings before anything else. Treat yourself once a week. Which trap keeps people broke even when they earn more? Avoiding investments, taking too many vacations, paying too much in taxes, spending everything they make. What was Warren Buffett's biggest wealth-building principle? Real estate flipping, inheriting millions, long-term investing in compounding, launching tech startups. Got your score? Drop it in the comments, or better yet, tell us one mindset shift you're going to focus on this month. Your story might help someone else start their own. And if this video helped you think differently, subscribe to You Know It Now. Every week we drop real science-backed content on money, learning, and growth. You've got the insight. Now take the action. You know it now.